show you how to work garter stitch. Garter stitch is a really simple stitch pattern, and it's really good for beginners because all it is working knit stitches back and forth. It creates a really stretchy fabric, and it looks the same from both sides. So it's really versatile to use for beginner scarves or washcloths, anything like that. So to work the garter stitch, we're just going to insert our right hand needle and begin with the knit stitch. We're going to knit all the way across this row. And if you're a beginner, I like to work with larger needles and a thicker yarn, just because it's easier to handle and easier to make sure that you don't drop your stitches off of your needles. So we've reached the end of our row here. We're going to turn our work around, and we're going to do the same thing. We're just going to work back down this side in the knit stitch. And that's all there is to it with garter stitch. It is just worked rows of knitting back and forth, just rows of knit. And keep going until your piece is as long as you want it.